So today we're unboxing Mirage Fafnir. So yeah, Mirage Fafnir. Let's see the parts before we open it. Alright, so nothing driver. The 2 chassis means 2 stamina mode. And mirage ring and the chip. Alright, so yeah. So this is Beyblade Super King or Spark King. So yeah, let's get to unboxing. Okay, so where's the tape? Okay, so this box is, yeah, so, okay, so in 3, 2, 1, yo, oh, Mirage, yay, Mirage Fafnir, taking off there, okay, whoa, Mirage, yes, I want to see some test battles. Here's the other side, side. Yeah. Yo, Mirage. So nothing driver, no dash. Okay, so it's just stamina. So I think this is counter mode. Counter mode. Alright, so now to 180. That is absorb mode. So I'm gonna test the absorb mode. So yeah, so I'm gonna do some test battles. Okay. Alright, that is test spin time for Mirage Fafnir before we battle. Right. Yo, that is sick. So it bounces though. Alright. Let's battle it against Phoenix with no armor. Okay. Yeah. So right spin versus left spin. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. There we go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Ooh. That is crazy. So yeah. Okay. So we're gonna that was a big hit. So this is absorb mode, so we're gonna do the counter mode. Right, so let's test the counter mode. So Mirage win that round. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. So stable. Now, counter mode. Oh, ring out! It's a ring out! Yo, that was insane from Mirage. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. So this is the best thing that I have bought. So yeah, so it's Beyblade Sparking, so you can buy these things. So yeah, goodbye guys. See you next time.